Alrighty. Hello, hey, hi, howdy, how are you? How you doing? Thank you for joining me again here at slackstuff.com for the next selection in the RSSI series. We're splitting windows, we're exposing containers, multiple channels viewable at the same time in one RSSI session. We are connected to irc.liquidbabble.com, and with Alt 1, Alt 2, and Alt 3, you see we have our status window. We have pound Slack stuff that we have joined, and we have 24tech, 24tech.com. A good friend of mine, Dead Rising, is at 24tech.com. Have our nice, pretty SFC 1337 theme that we loaded from last time. Nice and green. First thing we need to do to split these windows is we have to set window stick off. Window is not sticky. Now, aliases that are set in RSSI for window, you don't have to type the entire window, you can just type win stick on. Same thing, we'll get into aliases later. Win stick off. Let's go ahead and make sure that 24tech is unsticky. Now let's start out from our status window, because we're gonna show a hidden container, a hidden window. That will be done by window show and then the window number, whichever window it might be, whether it's 2, whether it's 3, however many channels you're joined to. We went through the procession of the window numbering. Window 1 is always your status. Window 2 and window 3, if you'll watch your status bar down here, it'll show you the window number, the network, and the channel. It'll also show you the channel attributes that have been set, but well, that's an IRC thing, not really an RSSI. There's window 3, there's window 2, just like stuff, and there's window 1, our status window. Alright, in window 1 we will type win show 2. Window has been set sticky somehow, so let's unstick it. Let's go again, make sure that one's not sticky. Let's try that again. Win show 2. There you have it. Slack stuff is up there. And so, hello, good Slackers. There's our channel. Now let's go back to the status window and let's win show 3. And there is 24tech. Let's say hello, good people in pound 24 tech. Great, wonderful. We have them showing. Now let's say we want 24tech to be just a little larger. We'll do that with win GR, abbreviation for grow, and we'll just go 1. We can increment up. You can use 2. Heck, you can probably use 5 if you want to, depending on how much you want to show. Usually I go 1s and 2s. Now let's shrink it just a little bit because I blew it out. SHR for shrink. You'll notice it takes away. Let's just go with 2. Oops, I shrunk it. Let's just go with 2. Increment up just a little bit. get those windows the size that you want them. Normally I keep the status window down here just a little smaller. What I'm going to do is I'm going to grow this one just a little bit also, because now that we have a split window, let's say we want to join Oogie's, which is my good friend Big E. You can find his website at oogies.org, OOGIES.org. You can also find Big E hanging out in Pound Oogies here on irc.liquidbible.com. You can find him hanging out in Pound Slack Stuff here on irc.liquidbible.com, our local chosen IRC network. Say hello to all the good people in Oogies. Now, if you'll notice, window 1 and window 3 hold the same container. So there you have 3 channels viewable, and you can switch back. Now if you go up here, let's say to window 3, which is 2.4 Tech, say hello again to people in 2.4 Tech. Now we haven't set any of those windows sticky at this point, so it is possible to switch the location around, but we'd have to set them unsticky to do that. Let's say we go to Oogies and we go when stick off, set it not sticky. Now we want to go back to the status window, which hides Oogies, and then we're going to jump up here to the window which is 2.4 Tech, and we'll say hi to let you know that we are in 2.4 Tech. Now well, we have Oogies, Slack Stuff, and 2.4 Tech viewable, switching back and forth with 1 and 4 between the window, the status window, and Oogies in the bottom window. See, this is a container, this is a window. Great. Now if you want to save that layout, of course you will. Layout, save, and hit enter, and you'll see that in the status window RSSI has remembered that layout and saved it to the configuration, and it will start that way the next time we join. Hope you've enjoyed it. Continue to watch for the next in the series on RSSI.